Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using New York's UST data. So I wanted to start by going over a blog post on Convenience Talk, and the reason is it contains a list with all the links to the different UST databases that are out there, and it's organized by state. And so I'm going to New York, and if you click on New York, we're here, you end up on this site. And so I navigated down to bulk storage database search, and that gave me this form, and I sorted this, or I selected PBS, which is petroleum, and active, and hit submit. And then I got a list. And under this list, so you can actually export it in several ways, but when I exported it, I just got this table itself, so I didn't get any additional information. And so I wanted to look at the additional information you could potentially get online. And so I went to this Kings Mill C-store and clicked through. And so what that gave me is it told me the operations are retail gasoline sales. And it told me who the facility owner is. You can also see the mailing address, and right below you can see who is the operator for this site. And then I went to look at the actual underground storage tank record, and the additional information that gave me was who the Class A and Class B operators are for the site. And that's it for New York. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.